What do you think of that,
What the
Elise?
hell is my cereal? That's what she's thinking. Alright. Are you videoing it?
Mm-hmm. She loves it.
He has more.
That's how I am with mommy's food too, Elise.
It's okay. What the hell it is?
Sweet potato's not a big hit. She's scared.
You wanna eat? You wanna eat? Oh, I feel awful doing this to her. Have you had enough for tonight, Elise? You wanna just go back to some good old cereal?
Screw this. She's so trusty right now.
Oh my
Sweet
god.
baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's,
Make me some cereal, Daddy.
oh man, that's great.
Yeah, maybe we should mix the sweet potatoes in with some cereal.
Oh man, that's great. Poor thing.